Let them hoes get into it. What's
So this is what came in the hair. I mean, in the packaging, see? The 8 packs of the hair, they're this size. They gave me the crochet needle. These to put in your hair and a clip. I believe the hair was 15. Hold on. So yes, the hair is $15.99 with tax. I believe it came up to $16.23. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video will be a hair review for an Amazon hair company named Youngther store. They sent me 8 bundles of pre-stretched braiding hair, and as you can see, I got some bomb ass feed-in straight back braids. Listen, this hair was bomb, okay? If you guys would like to get all the details on this hair, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. And yeah, let's get into this video, guys. Guys, so shout out to Sarah for doing my hair. If you guys live in the New York area, her Instagram will be in this clip. Follow her on Instagram. You can book her to get your hair done. She does cornrows, knotless braids, regular box braids, weaves, wigs. She does it all. She's super dope. So guys, yeah, follow her on Instagram. Yeah, this hair that was sent to me from Youngther store is an Amazon hair company. Their hair was very soft because as Sarah was braiding my hair, I kept asking her, like, Sarah, how is the hair? You got to let me know what you think about this hair because I got to do a review on it. And she said the hair was soft. It was not rough on her hands because she said sometimes you can, when she's braiding people's hair, depending on the type of hair it is, it can be rough on the hands. This hair was not. She said the hair was very soft. It did not tingle at all. There was no getting natted, tingle, none of that. Like, quick and easy. Like, she had no issues with this hair. She was like, all right, we're going to put it to the test at the end. Let's see if it take the hot water. Yes, it was able to take the hot water, and you will see that at the end of this video. There was no complaints about this hair. No, I am not just saying that because this hair was sent to me, because if the hair was no good, I will let you guys know it was no good. But in this case, the hair was very good. I got 6 straight back braids, and we only use 2 packs out of the 8 that was sent to me. And believe it or not, I thought we was going to use all 8 packs because the packs was skinny. So I was like, this doesn't look like a lot of hair. And she was like, no, look, believe it or not, it's a lot of hair in these little packs. So yeah, we only use 2 out of 8. And this color I have is 1B, and I believe they also have like 2 tone colors. The hair was only $15.99. It came up to $16 and change with tax to go through customer service and all that nonsense. I didn't have to do that in this case. You saw the stuff that came with the hair. So yes, I didn't use those things, but I just got my regular straight backs. And I like my hair. I think it came out very good. Okay. So guys, continue watching. And if you also want to learn how to do the feed in braids, you can watch the clips. Some of them I sped up. Some I didn't speed up too much. Just in case you guys wanted to try to learn how to do the feed in braids. But yeah, guys, watch. Alright guys, so this sums up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are going to go order your pre-stretch braiding hair from Youngther here on Amazon. This hair was perfect. No issues, very soft, easy to deal with. Guys, I'm telling you, go make your purchase. It's worth $15.99. You get 8 packs. I did not use all 8 packs. This is a deal, okay? So guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let your girl know if you're going to be making a purchase. And let me know what other type of hair videos you guys would like to see from me. So guys, until next time, you already know, be blessed, be safe, and be healthy. Bye.